So I decided to do the easy cop-out hike. I say as I'm like catching my breath, but we're here. Probably the most popular hike in Bozeman, Palisade Falls. So as you can tell, it's the most popular hike because it's paved. But haven't got out much this year, so man, I'm winded. But it's gonna be worth it. Like I said in the previous video, one of the costs of growing Bozeman and all the cool spots is a lot of people. I'm gonna try and be courteous and not film people, you know, be that creep that's standing off to the side. The Palisade was busy before Bozeman grew, so I mean, it's to be expected that it's gonna get like this. It is what it is. Like I said, price to pay, price to pay. Let's go up here a little bit then. Different right now. Got back from the mountain a little bit ago. Man, that makes it sound like I was snowboarding. Let's see that, you know, that used to be how I would say it every time I was back from snowboarding. I'm pretty sure that's how people say it when they're back from skiing as well. But I don't think I mentioned it in my video earlier. It is the 4th right now. So the 4th of July, that is. I mean, most people know what that means. But yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but right now, I'm going to try to do what might be the impossible. I'm going to try to find a spot to watch the fireworks. Not just the fireworks in Bozeman, but the main fireworks show that's going to be taking place in the fairgrounds. So the object is to find some high ground, preferably on the south side of town, just because I don't think there's any like good spots. I mean, you have to kind of go pretty deep into the north side, like on the edge of town, up into the mountains to find some high ground. But we're gonna see. We're gonna try it, and I wanted to get a little bit of a head start. The fireworks show starts at 10. Right now, it's about 9:10. So we've got about 50 minutes until the main fireworks show starts. So I'm gonna try my best to find a spot. That person wasn't able to pass me. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works. See what we can do. I think I found the spot. Man, there's nobody up here yet. Like I said, we are like 40 minutes early. There's no sense in rolling back home and coming back because, yeah, I mean, we're on the other side of the city. So we're just gonna chill, wait here for a little bit and wait till it gets a little darker. Probably pop open the hatch, just kick it. I remember a long time ago, probably back even when I was in college, I think my friends and I, like, we were up there. A lot of those houses weren't there yet, like at least the ones you can see. I don't even know if you can even see them on this camera, but a lot of those houses weren't there yet. So we just kind of hung out up there on the street, I mean, a lot of people did. A lot of people parked up there. A lot of people were lighting off their own fireworks. I think we had a few. But we were all mostly just kind of chilling and hanging out. Those are the days, man. That was about, gosh, man, that was more than 10 years ago. Crazy. Alright, I ran some calculations and figured out it'd be better to be in the parking spot, like directly next to where I was at. So here I am. Alright, so I decided to get back in the car, flip around. It's getting a little windy. The sun goes down, it's gonna get a little cold, but you should still be able to see it pretty well. Now I can start seeing people's fireworks. Really? Nobody was coming this entire fucking time? It still sounds like a war zone outside. But yeah, it was a good fireworks show. Just glad we got to see it, so hopefully that footage turns out pretty well. I'm glad I went out, because, I mean, I just would have been chilling and doing nothing. But I've said this a million times, but I might just bring back like daily vlogs, just kind of busting out my camera and just kind of recording everyday life. Haven't really figured it out yet, but I just want to pump out content. So, man, it's been a long time since I posted on the channel, and I want to change that. But if you're still hanging in there and you're still with me, if you're still rocking with me, I appreciate that, and I'm trying not to let you down. So thank you, and until next time, peace. I filled up my life.